Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe. All those things would be lovely to have you do because I love doing these things, and your support makes it possible for me to continue. So, anywho, today I've got my base and bronzer and blush and eyebrows on already. We've got a new palette from Adept Cosmetics. It's the Minka palette. And it is stunning, stunning, stunning. Lots of shimmers and duochromes. And I'm just going to jump in and start making a look. I'm going to start with this Toya color in my crease. And I do have hooded eyes. And I like to do looks for my hooded eyes. You made me promises, promises, knowing I'd believe. That's an old song. Some new wave 80s in the house. What you gonna do? Go AWOL. I'm getting ready to meet a friend for lunch. I'm always getting ready to do something when I put makeup on. Sometimes I do put makeup on just for fun. And this is fun to do this. But I am meeting a pal for lunch. And I'm excited about it. We're going to have Indian food. And she's got a 2-for-1 coupon so we can get our Indian food on cheap. Who loves a bargain? We love a bargain. We love a bargain over here at the channel. Look at these colors. They're so pretty. I'm going to go into Linda and just see what that looks like. Oh, wow. It is a multi-chrome. It is green and gold and pink. This is giving me a look that I did not expect. But it's beautiful. I'm blending it into the crease and on my outer corner. It's unexpected. Linda, you are shocking the hell out of me. And I love a multi-chrome. I live for a multi-chrome. That just looks like a weird green. But that's all right. That looks weird as hell. It looks super weird, but it's okay because we've got so many other colors to play with. I'm gonna go on the lid with Minka, the namesake of the palette. Ruby just jumped down off the bookcase. And it is shimmering to the gods. I'm putting that all over the lid. That is beautiful. Wow. Just look at that. It's just stunning. Adept has some of the best formulas in the business. This is just, it's like electric. I'm barely touching this and I'm getting such an enormous payoff. I'm going to darken my outer corner with Maria, this purple. It is a matte. Going in real easy with it. I don't want it to overpower this look. I would love to see Adept do some highlighters. Their formula is insane. Sometimes they don't even put mattes in their palettes. So it's pretty cool that there's a matte. My eyes look completely different. But it's okay because this eye is usually covered by hair. I don't know what to do to make them even. I don't know that I can make them even. Put some more Linda over here. That looks better. Now I'm going to do liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have liner and lashes done, and it looks really good. I'm really thrilled with it. I'm going to do a nude lip with my Seductress Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink number 65. And there we have it, a beautiful look for lunch today. My eyes are shimmering to the gods and shifting all over. This Minka palette is fantastic. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.